Hello everyone again, this is Ali from Micro Apps Solution. So in this video, we are creating our first project on Flutter. So we are opening our Android Studio and for the first time we create a new Flutter project from here. Click on this and from here you can choose a Flutter application, click next. In here you can put the name for your project, anything you want. For example, Flutter app ABC is my one, and this is the Flutter SDK, and this is the project location you saved, and whether you can change your project location from here. So now you can click next, and here the package name. Actually it is it you can put your domain name reversed here, like com dot your company name and your apps. So click on finish and our project will be start in a few seconds. So okay guys, our first project is opened in Android Studio. You can see this pane here. We will introduce this one and all the component you can see here, and from here, from the project, you can select the project. Inside the project, your project name, and inside this see, and I will introduce one by one. Don't worry about them. It's our first project, so now you can create your AVD and run this project on AVD or your emulator. So if you want to create an emulator, you can click on AVD manager here and create a virtual device from here. You can select, for example, home. I choose Pixel 4 XL. Click next. From here I choose R. If you want any one of them, you can download and use them. Click next. If you change the name, you can change it, or if you bring any changes on emulator, and you can click in here, show advanced settings. So there are a lot of other settings also. So I don't want to bring any changes here. Click finish. Your AVD will be created in a few seconds. So this is your AVD you created, Pixel 4 XL. So there are other AVDs that I created earlier. So you can click on this green icon to open any AVD you want. So my one, I already opened this AVD for you, the first one. So I don't want to run it again. If you want to run this project on this emulator, you can click on this green icon, play, run. I bring it down a little. Run the main dart, and there is something that you can choose your AVD. If there is open AVD, you can choose one. If you are working on Mac, you can open also iOS simulator for testing this app on simulator also. So I want to select this and click on run button. This project will run on this emulator in a few seconds. So let's wait. So guys, it is installing in emulator. Let's wait for the launching. Guys, there is a tips. Flutter supports hot reload. It means that if you bring any changes by clicking Ctrl S or save it, the changes will apply instantly. So don't need to be run again. So now our project launch on the emulator. You can see our first project, Here is the title bar or the app bar. Inside the page there is text and the number. You can click on this floating button here to increasing the number. Okay guys, thank you, and see you on the next video.